What's up guys, welcome back to Clash Mama channel. So today I have come to with an interesting video. So I'm gonna explain you about the whole game. You must be having a question. What's Clash of Clans first of all? To get the answer to this question, please watch this video till the end. So I'm gonna explain you from the first. I'll explain you from this building. Town Hall. When you click at the first, when you enter the game, you'll get this building. So just click on it and you'll get the name up, Town Hall. Level 1. I have upgraded it, so it has come to level 10. I have upgraded it. You need to upgrade it. The main thing in Clash of Clans is defending, attacking and protecting your city. This is your city. You will get first very small city, only your town hall. So then the guide, there will be a guide for you. The instructor, he will tell you to build this one. These are called gold mines. I have clicked on it. You can see the name over here. Gold mine level 1 you will get. So this will produce gold for you. And this is elixir collector. This is also a type of gold. It will also produce elixir. And here you can see this is gold, this is elixir, and this is dark elixir. I'll explain you about that afterwards. Gold and the purple one, elixir. So these things will produce gold and this will produce elixirs. So you won't get all this, you'll get one, I guess. Then it will tell you to build this building, these two buildings. This is called gold storage. Means it will be stored. Means here it will show, and inside this amount will be inside this building. And the elixir, this is the amount. This amount will be inside this building. So how to upgrade all the buildings? When you click on every building, you will get two options: information and upgrade. If you have this amount, you can upgrade them. So I'll upgrade any one of my building. So I have told you about gold mine. I'm gonna upgrade it. You can see upgrade option. I have clicked on it, so I got. So upgrade. So the builder will come. Who is a builder? You can see this hut, right? This is builder's hut. You can't upgrade him. You can't upgrade anything of him. So inside the hut, builders will be sleeping. When we upgrade something, they will go and upgrade that, and again they will get back to their hut and sleep. So you can see he is upgrading over here. I'll take this one. After upgrading, he will go back and sleep. I'm gonna show you when he sleeps. And you must be thinking, what are these? These are walls. You can upgrade them too. If you upgrade them, they will get more stronger, but don't upgrade them when you enter the game. After some days or like that. Yeah. Let this upgrade, I'm gonna tell you. So he has upgraded, and you can see he is going to his builder hut, towards his builder hut. And see they're producing. So the builder hut is there. He is going. So he has gone inside and he's sleeping. That's it. That's the work of builders. And I explained about this. Now the instructor will give you one more building, that is called cannon. He'll give you this as level 1. So I don't have any level 1. So at the first I have said you the elixir storage won't be this big. it will be in this size, and the gold storage will be smaller than this. The next building is, so you will get all these buildings, only 1 2 you will get. So the next building is barracks. This building is called barracks. You can upgrade them. You can see a train troops. So when you click, you will get this kind of interface. So first you won't get all these troops, only this guy you will get. Only this, you will get only him. So when you upgrade your barracks, you will get all these. So at first you will have this only 500 of capacity, max capacity only 500. If you upgrade it, it will be bigger and bigger. The thing is, you need to upgrade your town hall. Means if my town hall is 70 lakhs, I upgraded to 50 lakhs. So I need to upgrade it more. So I have thought to upgrade, but it was showing I had it. I clicked it. It need to upgrade your town hall to level 11. So only after I go to level 11. How to go to level 11? So in town hall 7 you will get this option. This is season challenges, this option. So if I click on it, you will get options. If you complete this, you will get some rewards, like some things like gold, elixir, like that. And in perks, you go to attacks, right? I'll show you how to go to attacks. When you go to an attack, the gold and elixir you earn will be stored over here. After the season ends, I'll get all this amount. 46 plus 25, it will lead me to some 75 like that. So the capacity is no need. When you go to town hall 7 only, you will get it. And the canine I was telling you about the cannon. It will attack our enemies. Whoever comes to attack us, you can see our attack option. Some people who will attack us, and we will also attack. First, the instruction will show to attack this goblin payback. I have played it, so I have available loot 0. I have took all the loot. So you may play them also. But here you can see, right, this option here. This is trophies. You should make them more and more and more and more. So if you get them more, you will be placed in leagues like bronze, silver, gold. So I'm in silver for these many trophies. I'll show you. So to cross bronze, divisions will be 3, 2, 1. So I am in silver 1. To go to silver, you need to have 400 plus trophies. To go to gold, you need to have 800 plus trophies. To go to crystal, you need to have 1400 plus trophies. Now to enter gold, you need to have, again I'll tell you. So to enter bronze, you need to have more than 400 plus trophies. To enter silver, you need to have 800 plus trophies. To enter gold, you need to have more than 1000. To enter gold, you need to have more than 1400 trophies. Okay, like that it goes on. And you need to be collecting your elixir collectors and the gold which is being produced. So this will leave like silver balls, like that. You know, right, cannon, how they attack. And this is archer tower. You will also get them. You need to, if you upgrade them, you will get more stronger. You'll get more stronger. They'll get more stronger, and nobody can attack you. They will attack the enemies. So sometimes even they will be dead. The archer tower will be dead. So they will throw from the top, they will put arrows on the enemies. And this is mortar. It will, like I'm showing in my one of my replays. I'll tell you what is he leaving now. It's like a lightning, right? I'll tell you what is it. So you can see these archer towers are attacking these guys who are attacking us. How many hours he is deploying, they're all being defeated. He has put a type of thing. I'll tell you what is it. So you can see the cannon how it is attacking, and the mortar. So the mortar will, one silver wall will jump by the force of the mortar and fall on the enemies, and they will be then finished. That it will be they'll slowly be dead. Next building, it's wizard tower. The wizard is type of a troop. You can see here. No, not that's dragon. The first one is barbarian. Second one archer. Your archer tower. Archer tower is there, and she's archer, a trained of troop, giant, goblin. That time just he attacked our city, right? Wall breaker, balloon, wizard, healer, dragon, Pekka. I have upgraded my barracks and got these troops. So next one, I will tell you. The wizard tower will throw. The wizard will throw from up balls, fireballs. And the next building is air defense. Air defense means you can see this dragon is a kind of air thing, right? It's flying. So if our enemies attack us with dragons, the air defense will start defeating it, like with crackers, like some type of cracker rockets. And the next building is air sweepers. So whenever the end, so you can see this white line light for every defense it will be. So if our enemies enter that, they will be little dead. The air sweeper will push the enemies back. That's the work of it. Our next building is bomb tower. It's a bomber. He's a bomber. You'll get it in Town Hall 8. All things you won't get in only one Town Hall. You need to upgrade your Town Hall to get more things. So sometimes, if you have the money also, it won't be upgraded, because means if it's not upgraded, some buildings are not bought. How to buy buildings? You can see here shop option. Shop. Just click on it. Click on the first option. You'll get this. You should build all of them. You should check one by one. You can see they'll be in colored. I have not bought it because I don't have. That's not a problem. In defenses I have bought everything. Even in traps I have got everything. So next our bomb will he will throw bombs on the enemies. Whoever enters the circle. This circle. And next up, and you can see a small bomb here, right? If the bomb tower is defeated, the bomb will definitely blast, and the enemies near that they will be dead, like so. So next up, is this is X-bow, means it will do like this. It will do arrows. like that. So you can upgrade them. Air and here you can see air and ground. You should put air and ground because if when air if air attacks also come, it will do. I'll show in one of my replays. Same replay I'll show. So you can see how it is attacking. You can see how it is attacking. Tap 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 tap. It's attacking. So next is Inferno Tower. You will get it in Town Hall 10. I mean Town Hall 10. You will get this in Town Hall 8 or 9 and 10. You will get. So Inferno Tower. It will throw a kind of fire. I'll show you in my replay. When he deploys the goblins, you can see. See, this is attacking. It's attacking multiple targets. So I have put it in a multiple mode. So multiple mode, single mode. You can put it in multiple mode. It's good. And our next defense is the Hidden Tesla. The enemies, whenever the enemies enter the circle, the Hidden Tesla will come from the ground and it will start lightning, like a type of lightning. I'll show in the replay. The Hidden Teslas were here. So you can see here what happened. Whenever the enemies entered, that started firing. So the Hidden Tesla is leaving from here a type of lightning. So it will attack the enemies. So we have finished all the defenses. Now I'm going to tell you about traps. What are traps? Means you can see here. So they are traps. They will not be seen by the enemies. Only we can see. So trap. So this is called spring trap. Our first trap. Whenever the enemy steps on the spring trap, he will be dead and he will fly and fall somewhere and he'll be dead. Our next trap is skeleton trap. You won't get this soon. It'll take some time. So skeleton trap. But it will not be seen by the enemies, as you know. So whenever the enemies enter the circle, from inside the skeleton trap, the skeletons will come and attack the enemies. So they'll try to attack the enemies. The next is giant bomb. This one. So you can upgrade everything except the statues. You can see your statues. I'll tell you about the statues afterwards. Giant bomb. What is giant bomb? So giant bomb you will get in Town Hall 6, I guess. So giant bomb, whenever the enemy enters the white circle, it will boom. It will just blast and the enemies, some will be dead, some will be alive. Our next trap is sneaking air mine trap. So sneaking air mines means it will attack the air things like let's go to barracks. Air things means you can see this balloon is flying, this healer is flying, the dragon is flying. So it will attack them. Suddenly it will come suddenly and boom, it will just make a blast on the air thing. All other buildings will be C except for traps. Our next trap is this one. It's a bomb. It is smaller than a giant bomb. So whenever the enemy enters the circle, it will just blast. And next one, air bomb, which is little weaker than the sneaking air mine. So the air bomb is same as sneaking air mine. it will do the same work for Seeking Air Mine. So I think that's all the traps. So I'll explain you about the buildings. So you know Archer Tower, Mortar, you know Cannon, you know Bomb Tower, you know everything. So now I'm gonna tell you about this one, Dark Elixir Driller, similar to Elixir Collector and Gold Mine. So I have told you it's a type of gold, Dark Elixir. This will produce Dark Elixir, and the Dark Elixir storage is here. Those are resources. These are resources, and you can see this, right? This is army camp. So whenever you training your troops, after you train your troops, they'll directly come here. How to train troops, I'll show you. Just a minute. So now I'm gonna show you how to train troops. So I want to train these guys. So you can just click on them. You can see beside that left is coming. So it should come to 0. When it doesn't show left, means everything is full. You should do that. If you want to get troops trained faster, just click on them. Like this red color is coming now, means they are not there in the crew. So that's how to train troops. So next, you will get more barracks when you go into higher town halls. So barracks, you have one more barracks, that is Dark Barracks. You will get it in Town Hall 7, I guess. If you go, so I'll put a line and represent it to you. So for 1 minute. So from Barbarian to this one, this is called 18, till that one, it is barracks. From this guy to this guy, it's their Dark Barracks. You need to upgrade them to get more troops. That's it. So next one. So this is Spell Factory. You can see how the name here, Spell Factory. So you can see upgrade, boost. Don't need to boost. So I didn't tell you about these gems. You will get them by removing the obstacles, like I'll show you here. Trees, like obstacles, like trees, trunks, like that. You'll get gems. So it's 90. When the builder will do. So it didn't come for this. Let's see if it comes. So I have got a gem. I'll explain you about the city also. Wait. So this, after training the troops, they have come here. You can see here. Good. Next is Dark Spell Factory. So Spell Factory means you can click on brew. So you want to train your troops in other way. Instead of clicking on barracks, you can click on this option. Click on it. Your army will come. Whoever are trained, it will show. Then train troops. My troops are trained. Brew spells. You will get this in. You will get brew spells and quick train at Town Hall 5. Will be unlocked at Town Hall 5. So you can train some spells like that. So till from the lightning spell to the clone spell, it is the normal Spell Factory. From the poison spell to the bad spell, it is Dark Spell Factory. This is Dark Spell Factory. This one. So I think I have explained everything. Instead of the options, I'll explain you. So you'll get this trader at Town Hall 8. He will sell some things like potions. You can buy them to. Everything will have a potion. To see magic items, click on Town Hall. So you will get these. I have only one research portion. It is used for this building, laboratory. So research. If you have, I have all these troops. So if you want to upgrade them to level, I've already upgraded my barbarians to level 3. You can upgrade them through this building. You'll get it in Town Hall 3. That will only help you to go to Town Hall 4, that building. So I explained you everything. Explained. So these are, you can see here a type of, here you can see they're builders. As I said, I had two builders. So you will also, at the first, you will have 2 builders. And this is shield, means we are now protected by the shield. Nobody will attack us. After 1 hour 21 minutes, the shield will go and some people will come to attack us. Now next, this is clan castle. I didn't say this. So you need to build this clan castle. It's available in every town hall, from town hall 1 to town hall 13. It will be there. So you can upgrade it, and when you build it, it should have 10,000 to build it. So first you'll have 5,500. So you need to upgrade the gold storage and get till 10,000 and build the clan castle. Is really useful for you. So when you click on the clan castle, you will get information, upgrade, request. Request means I'll tell you, clan, treasury, guard. You need to always put it in guard mode. Treasury means you can see the attack here. Attack, you can see some stars. If we get all the stars, I'll tell you how to get stars. If you get all the stars, then you will get some treasury. You need to keep it safe. Whenever your loot is less, then you can collect them. My loot is not less for me now. So clan, how to create a clan, I just made it in my first video. So request. So if you click on this option, and now you join a clan. So you can join to my clan, King of Clans. You can even create a clan. I have showed you in my first video. You can see my first video. So I have some friends. I have made it in my second video, how to make friends and invite them to our clan. So you need to have a clan. When you create a clan castle, you can send mails. You can type the mail and send it. Find new members to our clan. Make them as friends. Everything. So this option is called my profile. It will show your profile, whatever things you have. Your trophies over here, your clan banner. I showed you in my first video, this and all. Clan means I got some members into my clan. So you can chat with them. How means, I'll tell you. Even you can join some clans in my profile. If you click on clans, you can join them. Social. So you can after you make friends, you will get this. You can send friend request to anybody. I said it in my second video. Find new members. Okay, I'll send this guy one. So he's his all-time best 1,700, and he's not playing means. Because so much gap he had. I get this guy. He also simply, I'll send how. If in the clan, if you click on find new members, you'll get one. If you whoever you like, just click on them and just add him as a friend. And I have sent invite to get into our clan. So I have clicked on social friend request. I have sent this guy, so it will come here. Search players. You need to remember this ID number. I'll show you again. In my profile, you need to remember your ID number. If in others mobile, whoever is playing Clash of Clans, if you go to social, if you only get clan castle, you'll get these options. Search for player. So I'll search mine. LRRJ JOR8UY. So search. So mine has come like that. It will come. You need to remember your ID number. So next, this is defense log, means whoever attacked you. Attack log means whoever you attacked. Inbox means I have showed you in my clan send mail. You can type something and just send it. It will, and here you will get it. Inbox, I have typed it. It will come like that. Clan chat, this you can chat, I said, right? Like this you can chat. Hello, I'll put. Okay, like that you can chat. Whoever is online, you can see here. Only one means me only. Means it's clan war. You need to have 5 members. I have only 4. Whoever is playing Clash of Clans, just search it and search for this flag. I told you about this. Even these are events, means these are nothing. If you can participate, you can participate to get gems. Nothing was showing like gems here, so nothing. So more settings, you can change your name. I have changed my name once, so it's again to change like that. So this is next. This one is how, if you want to make a new city, you can go to this option and you can create your city. Edit layout, remove all, and you can build your city. I have built already, don't need to build again. So this is all about this normal city. Explained you about Clash of Clans. So this is dark city. So this is air bomb. It's a kind of air defense. Mega mine in place of giant bomb. Elixir collector, gold storage, gold mine, So you'll to go to the next city, you need to click on this boat option. You'll get it in Town Hall 4. You need to build your own city. You'll get. You should build same as that city only. You can explore everything. Some buildings will be, some buildings won't be. So you can explore this after going to Town Hall 4, guys. This is gem mine. All some new things will be in this city. Can see the same options. I have told you how. I'll tell you how to go to an attack. 1 minute. So click on attack option, and to get trophies you can play multiplayer. To get no trophies and only to get loot, you can play single player. I'm gonna go to a multiplayer battle. So which is easy for you, you can choose. So he has kept his town hall outside. So I left my barbarians and one Pekka to get them. I've said you, in the attack, if the stars are, if we get stars, we'll get some treasury. So here I have got a star, so I'll get my treasury there. So if you get a star, it's your victory. I have got 5 trophies, it's good. That's it. I have got a reward, that's it. So I got a star. If you fulfill all the stars, you'll get like that. Even in dark city you can go. Just attack and go. How I'm attacking, I don't know. Something. Just for your example, I should. So inbox. So inbox is. So in that I have showed here one option will be. So here this one. But to see who are attacked, you can see here and who you attacked, like that. So this is clock tower. Heroes. I didn't tell you about heroes. You'll get them in Town Hall 7. You'll get Barbarian King, Town Hall 8, Archer Queen. Like that it goes on. It is dependent on there. You can get them by dark elixirs. Dark elixir. So this is all for today's video. So please, so guys, you can even get here train troops option. So barracks, you'll have some different army camps, guys. So in shop you can buy things. So we have come to the end of this video. So So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Clash It Mama, like the video guys. So bye bye guys, I'll meet you in my next video. So you must be thinking, where is Invisible? He is still unwell, so he'll come I think in the next video. So bye guys, I'll meet you in my next video with an interesting topic.